Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today it's how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Fiat 500. Wiper blades should be replaced at least once a year. As you can see on this rear one, the rubber has split, so this needs removing and replacing. You can get a replacement from your local car mart. We have bought this Bosch H840, which is a direct replacement for the rear. First of all, we need to remove the rear wiper blade. Hinge the wiper blade away from the car. Then with two firm hands, take a grip of the main wiper arm part. Then with one hand and with your other hand you are pushing the wiper blade away. It sits in a small clip which we will show you once it's removed. Just be careful not to put any pressure on the main wiper arm, as you don't want to stress it or bend it off the spline. With a bit of force it will just unclip. There you go, then just slide it off and away. This is the area where the blade clips into, so when we install the new one it just pushes into that and clips in.
Okay.
Here is the brand new Bosch 840 rear wiper blade. Let's just compare to make sure it's the same as the one we took off. And it is, apart from the logo is upside down. Right, let's install it. Slide the wiper blade over the end. Then that bar on the new wiper blade needs to be pushed into the clip. Again, be careful to use two hands and don't put pressure on the main wiper arm.
Flip it up. Just kind of get a good hold of that.
Keep pushing until you hear it clip in.
Definitely in the right.
There we go, all done. Gently put that back onto the rear windscreen and now let's test it out. Great stuff, that makes a real difference when you have a new wiper blade. Time for a nice cup of tea. We hope that was useful. There are some other useful Fiat 500 videos around the edge of the screen. Safe driving to you. Many thanks for watching.